Hi, I want to try your brisket meal
Kids meal?
with a Dr. Pepper.
Regulators! Mount up!
The nuggets or the sliders kids meal?
I said the brisket.
Oh, the brisket, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
What size for the meal?
Medium size is fine.
With crinkly fries, is that right?
You're right.
And what to drink?
Dr. Pepper?
Anything else?
No, that'll be everything.
Alright, that'll be 1237 up and up with the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Doing good, thank you. Arby's? All right, thank you. Sometimes I don't think they listen very well. You know, I thought I was pretty clear when I said Dr. Pepper. Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. So today, doing another review, another Arby's review. Went up there and got their brisket sandwich. So here it is. Comes in a little box. Very nice. Open it up. See right there. There it is. Brisket sandwich. Of course, I got some my favorites. They're crinkly fries. Sorry about the sun. It's just right up there. And it's just... But we'll manage. I asked for Arby sauce. They gave me ketchup. That's alright though. I don't know why I asked for Arby sauce. Ketchup's better on fries in my opinion anyways. Alright, let's get back to the sandwich. Let's take a look at it. So, yeah, there it is. Got plenty of some kind of meat on it. Looks like brisket. Little sample. Yeah. So let's open it up. So it's got the breaded onions again. Boy, I just suck at what those are called. Fried onions, maybe that's what they're called. It's got Gouda cheese on it. This time it looks like it has a little more Gouda. Got the barbecue sauce, and then it's got thinly sliced some kind of beef. They said it's brisket, but we'll find out. And then, of course, it's got mayonnaise on the bottom. So, not a bad looking sandwich. Same bun as the other one, nice and soft. Let's first just take a little bite of the meat. Yeah. Definitely tastes like brisket. So, yeah. And it has that same smoke flavor as their rib sandwich. Some of you commented that they probably do it in like liquid smoke. It's probably true. They probably do add liquid smoke to their wet brine of this, but that's pretty good. That's not bad. So let me take a bite of it. So that bite had a lot of cheese on it. I can really taste those onions, those fried onions. Definitely taste that. Don't get a big brisket flavor to it. I taste the barbecue sauce and I taste the mayonnaise. Man, that was a pretty good cheese bite there. But it doesn't taste like smoked Gouda, even though they advertise it as smoked Gouda. Definitely has flavor other than the brisket. You know, I like my brisket, and I like my brisket having more of a salty, peppery flavor. I'm not picking that up at all. Yeah. Same sweet barbecue sauce that their country style rib sandwich had. Really, this one they went a little heavier on the barbecue sauce because that's really all I'm tasting. Let's see if I can get down there. I'm going to try to get some just meat only here. See what it, so that's pretty much just meat only. Let's see if we can get it up out of the sunlight. It's got a little bit of mayonnaise on it. It's got, you know, some kind of smoke ring, but I just don't think it's, infused somehow. Yeah. There's definitely a brisket flavor, but it's not like a seasoned brisket. It's just a meat flavor. So it doesn't taste like the brisket you would get off your smokers. It's done differently. It's more of a, it's really not roast beef, so it's definitely a brisket flavor. It's just not a barbecue smoked brisket flavor. And that's probably the seasoning more than anything. I do like it because it's sliced a little bit thicker than their typical roast beef sandwich. So you're getting a little more meatier flavor just in the meat. But when you bite into the sauce and the cheese and the grilled onions, or I'm sorry, the fried onions, you know, you're getting more of a barbecue sauce flavor than anything, with a little bit of onion. And then that, to me, is overpowering that meat flavor. Yeah. Yeah, so it's not a bad sandwich at all. I think it was $10.97. Then I upsized it to a medium. The total was $12.33, I think is what she said. So, you know, you're still up there in the price range. But it's definitely brisket, but it's just not barbecued, smoked, slow smoked brisket. Sliced. It's, how can I explain it? It's a good flavor, but it's not, you know, when you think of a brisket, and even in a sandwich, you want to taste that seasoning. You want to taste that beef in it. And this, with the way it's made, with the grilled fried onions and the barbecue sauce and the mayonnaise, that's all you're tasting when you get that full bite. Cheese, it's over, you know. I like Gouda cheese, but in this scenario, on both these sandwiches, that Gouda has kind of disappeared, as in my opinion, in a flavor. You're really not picking up that cheese flavor. Now, this type of sandwich, I wouldn't want that Gouda to really stand out and overpower that beef. I want that beef flavor, and it's just not happening on this. All I'm getting is that a strong onion barbecue sauce. But don't get me wrong, I like a little bit of barbecue sauce, but I want to taste that meat that I've smoked and I've seasoned and I've spent time with. And I don't want my barbecue sauce to overpower it. And unfortunately, those onions and the barbecue sauce are overpowering in this sandwich. But it's not bad. Yeah. Maybe if the slices were cut even thicker, so you're getting a lot of more meat in each bite, it would really help this sandwich. But I think at, you know, they don't, I guess we look at it, they say it's a smokehouse brisket. They don't really advertise it as a slow smoked, sandwich so much on their menu. I think on their commercials they do, but it's not bad. It's not a bad sandwich. It's just not the same thing that you would get at a true barbecue place, which, you gotta kind of expect that. They're doing what they're doing, and it's commercial, it's fast food, so it's a little on the high side price wise. But I went to McDonald's here recently and it was $14, so they're right in there for what you get. And you got the crinkly fries, got some ketchup, so it's not a bad sandwich. I'm not gonna knock it. It's got some flavor. It's just not true, what I would consider true brisket sandwich. So anyhow, what I would like you guys to do is go check out a YouTube channel, Grits and Glamour. They're a channel that I follow, and they follow me. They travel, they work as hosts at different camps. Right now they've been out here in Washington State for quite a while, and it's kind of neat seeing what they're doing and their setup, and they're trying to get their YouTube channel going, and I'd encourage you to go check them out. They went and reviewed the country style rib sandwich as well as like I did. Go check out their review, see what they thought of it, and then go try one of these and let me know what you think of this brisket smokehouse sandwich. I would say, on a scale, I'd say 5, 6. It's not blow you out of the water, but it definitely has some flavor to it. And yeah, so like I say, you can do this too. Not that hard. Until next time, my friends, grill on.